How to turn off the cell phone OPPO A3x by using this power button. So actually, if you want to turn off the cell phone, you can using this combination button, power up and volume up, by pressing it together like this. And you can select the icon into the power up. But if you want to do that by using this power button only, like this, you can disable this feature, the Google Assistant. You can tap on setting, and next you can tap on additional setting, and then you can select on power button. Then you can tap on it, and you can change this option from voice assistant into the power menu like this. And now you can using this power button to turn off the cell phone. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.